that triangles are opposite of adjacent, cause that's the tangent rule, tangent rule, tangent rule. We can say that triangles are opposite of adjacent, cause that's the tangent rule, tangent rule, tangent rule.
Math, I'm silly on my wits to do some theorems and simple postulates, cause after all the homework and then test and quizzing, and all the A's and the chops and thinking, and all the definition and all the mathness, there comes a time when we're chapter 8.5, and when we're sitting at that page on our desk, and we're hoping but the answers never come to mind. But that's just how SOHCAHTOA works. You have to know that tan is up over J. And when you plug in that into the calc, what do you hope for? The fraction, decimal, so what's the lesson here in this verse? Hinges up a J. And only the first trigonometry functions are fun to know. So I'll go to Lil V to introduce Sun and Co.
Say that triangles are opposite over hypotenuse, cause that's the sine rule, sine rule, sine rule. We can say that triangles are opposite over hypotenuse, cause that's the sine rule, sine rule, sine rule.
Somebody teach me sine and cosine. Before I heard the song, I was out of line. Before chapter 8, it didn't matter, never knew. Yeah, back when I was learning other theorems and means too. Well, so since we're sine, op, and hip. Op means opposite, hip means hypotenuse. Now, do you really want to hear another story or tip? Well, remember, com means cosine, adj, and hip. Now, you know the small abbreviations, but to plug into your calc, you need to divide. For sine, it's op over hip. For cosine, it's adj over hip. Do you get it? Your mind isn't shook? If you don't like this song, then you can look in your book. But I bet this way is catching way more fun. A geometry message that is good for everyone.
Triangles are adjacent over hypotenuse, cause that's the cosine rule, cosine rule, cosine rule. We can say that triangles are adjacent over hypotenuse, cause that's the cosine rule, cosine rule, cosine rule.